If you are posting on social media and hearing crickets, I can guarantee you're making the same mistake that 90% of small business owners make when it comes to social media. You're trying to talk to everyone, which actually means you're talking to no one. Hi, I'm Alexandra, a social media marketing manager, and in this video I'm going to explain you how a customer persona can transform your social media game from a time-wasting black hole into a profit-generating machine. The best part? It only takes 15 minutes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly who your ideal customer is, what they want to hear, and how you can talk to them directly in every single post. So let's dive in. Let me paint a picture that might sound familiar for you. You post a beautiful picture of your product or your service, you write what you think is a compelling caption, throw in some hashtags, post it, and then silence. Maybe you'll get a couple of likes from your mom, your best friend, but no comments, no shares, and definitely no sales. Sound familiar? Here's what's happening. You're speaking to everyone, which means your message is resonating with no one. Think about it this way. If you walk into a crowded room with lots of people and you shout, "Hey everybody, I've got something you might like," how many people are really going to pay attention to you? Probably no one. But if you go to one specific person and say, "Hey Sarah, I know you've been struggling to get your toddler to sleep lately, and I have something that might help," suddenly you have their full attention. That's the power of customer personas, and that's exactly what we are going to create today. So what exactly is a customer persona? It's basically a detailed description of your ideal customer. It's not just their age and gender, but it's their problems, their goals, their fears, and even their daily routine. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time for some complicated marketing exercise. Listen, I get it. As a small business owner, you are already wearing 17 different hats. But here's the thing. Creating a customer persona actually saves you time because it eliminates the guesswork from your social media. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering, what should I post today? You will know exactly what to post because you know who you are talking to. I'm going to walk you through the simple 3-step process on how to create a customer persona. And I want to emphasize the word simple here. We are not going to overcomplicate it, I promise. Step 1, the detective work. We will figure out who your best customers actually are. Step 2, the deep dive. We will understand their problems and their goals. And step 3, the social media translation. We will turn all of this into actionable content ideas. The whole process takes about 15 minutes, so you can actually do this while you're watching this video. So grab a notebook, open a document on your computer or the Notes app on your phone and do the exercise. So let's get started. Step 1 is detective work, and it's actually fun once you get into it. We're going to figure out who your target audience is by looking at 3 different places. First, look at your existing customers. Who are the people that not only buy from you, but also refer others to you, leave positive reviews, engage with your content, and genuinely love working with you? Write down everything you know about them. Their age, their gender, their problems, their lifestyle, their routine, their challenges. For example, let's say you're a fitness coach. Your best clients might be busy moms in their 30s who work full-time and struggle to find time for themselves. Next, look at your competitors' social media. Who's engaging with their content? What types of comments do they leave? What questions do they have? And what problems are they mentioning? This is free market research, and your competitors are basically doing the work for you. And finally, dive into your social media analytics. Most platforms will tell you the demographics of the people who follow you. But more importantly, look at which posts performed best. What were you talking about and what problem were they solving? So here's your first assignment. Pause this video right now and write down 3 characteristics of your best customers. Don't overthink it, don't overcomplicate it, just write the first 3 things that come to your mind. I'll wait. No, seriously, pause the video and do it right now. The magic happens when you actually do the work and not just listen to me talk about it. Alright, welcome back. Now that you have a basic idea of who your customer is, we are going to dive deeper. This is where a lot of people get overwhelmed, but I will give you a simple framework, the problem stack. So first of all, let's talk about their problems. Every customer has 3 levels of problems. Level 1, the surface problem, this is what they complain about. Level 2, the emotional problem. So this is how the surface level problem makes them feel. And level 3, the deeper problem. That's what's really going on underneath. So let's use our busy mom example one more time. The surface level problem is I don't have time. The emotional problem, I feel guilty and I'm frustrated with myself. And the deeper problem, I've lost sense of my identity beyond being a mom and an employee. This is crucial because a lot of businesses only address the surface problems, but people buy based on emotions. When you understand all three levels, your content becomes incredibly powerful. The dream outcome. So next, what's that dream outcome? Not just lose weight, but feel confident and energetic while still being the mom and the professional I want to be. The daily reality. So what does their day typically look like? When do they check their social media? What's their morning routine? Are they scrolling Instagram while drinking their morning coffee at 6 a.m.? Or are they maybe checking Facebook during their lunch break? Finally, pay attention to the actual words your customer use. Do they say, I'm overwhelmed or I'm swamped? Do they talk about finding balance or getting your life together? Use their language, not marketing talk. Step 3, social media translation. Here comes the fun part. Turning this customer persona into actual social media content. This is where everything comes together. Based on your persona, you will naturally fall into these categories. Problem-aware content, so posts that show you know what they are struggling with. Solution-focused content, so posts that offer help or advice. Behind-the-scenes content, so posts that build connection and trust. And social proof content, so posts that show others like them getting results. So for our busy mom persona, problem-aware content might be that moment when you finally sit down at 9 p.m. and realize you haven't moved your body all day. Again, solution-focused content might be 5-minute morning routine that actually fits into your crazy schedule. The timing strategy. Remember the daily routine that we mapped out? Use it. If your customer persona checks social media during their commute, post at 7 a.m. If they like to scroll social media before bed, post at 9 p.m. And the platform strategy. Different people hang out on different platforms. Our busy mom might be on Facebook groups or Instagram stories, but probably not on LinkedIn, at least not for the non-work related stuff. A young entrepreneur might be all over LinkedIn, X, and probably not Facebook. So here's your second assignment. Based on your customer persona, write down one piece of content for each of these areas. Don't post them yet, just write them down. This exercise will show you how much easier content creation becomes when you know who exactly you are talking to. Before we wrap up, let me share the 3 biggest mistakes I see people make with customer personas. Mistake number 1, making it too complicated. Some people create these elaborate personas with favorite movies and pets names. Unless you're a huge corporation, you don't need that level of detail. Focus on problems, goals, and daily reality. Mistake number 2 is creating too many different personas. As a small business, you really only should focus on one customer persona. Yes, you might have different types of customers, but choose your favorite and focus on them. You can always create content for the others later on. The last mistake, not updating your customer persona. Your customers evolve and so should your customer persona. So review it every couple of months and adjust it accordingly. The truth is, most businesses fail on social media because they are trying to be everything to everyone. But when you're getting crystal clear on who you're serving, everything gets easier. Your content ideas flow naturally, your engagement goes up, and most importantly, you start attracting the right customers. So here's what I want you to do now. Take the next 15 minutes and go through this process. Don't overthink it, don't complicate it, just get it done. Then create one piece of content specifically for that customer persona and post it this week. I guarantee you will see a difference on how people respond to your post. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more social media marketing strategies that actually work for small businesses. And if you create your customer persona, drop a comment down below and tell me about them. I love hearing about your ideal customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. In the meantime, be sure to check out this video that was specifically chosen for you. Thank you for watching.